Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Cadillac XT6. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. The Escalade stands out as Cadillac's three-row SUV, but there's another 7-seat model in the brand's lineup, the XT6. Introduced for the 2020 model year, the XT6 is the largest of Cadillac's unibody, FWD-based crossovers. It's intended to bridge the gap between the mid-size two-row XT5 and the full-size, truck-based Escalade. Cadillac wants to be the world standard, but its XT6 is behind the pack. While that three-row crossover should suffice, there are many more luxury three-row SUVs to choose from. The XT6 isn't perfect as a luxury family transporter. Access to the third row is difficult due to the small opening created when the second row is folded, and cargo capacity is tight unless the third row is stowed. On the road, the XT6 strikes a good balance between smooth ride comfort and fast handling. However, neither the base i4 nor the current V6 engine seem up to the task with its largely unstable transmission programming. A lot of non-luxurious tire noise gets into the cabin. At least the current 14-speaker audio system sounds good and has good safety ratings. The XT6 pales in the shadow of the Escalade. Both are three-row Cadillac SUVs, but they are quite different in general execution. The XT6 is offered with two engines, both connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission available in FWD Standard and AWD. In entry-level luxury trim, a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4 is fitted. It produces 237 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. Fuel economy is rated by the EPA at 2127 mpg city/highway with FWD and 2126 mpg with AWD. The XT6 Premium Luxury and Sport trims get a 3.6-liter V6 producing 310 horsepower and 271 lb-ft of torque. In the MotorTrend test, an XT6 AWD accelerated from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.8 seconds. The EPA gives ratings of 1926 mpg with FWD and 1825 mpg with AWD. General Motors is moving fast to electrify its vehicles, and Cadillac is a big part of that transition. In the wake of the new all-electric 2023 Cadillac Lyriq, rumors have swirled about a battery-powered successor to the XT4 and even a potential Escalade EV. Can the XT6 be replaced with an electrical equivalent? Since the XT6 was only released for 2020, it probably has a few years to go before any big changes happen. But one way or another, expect an all-electric Cadillac three-row SUV eventually. The 2023 XT6 from NHTSA has received a 5-star overall safety rating, while IIHS has given top safety pick plus status to the 2022 and 2021 models. Either way, this is the highest definition available. Standard driver assistance and active safety features include front automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic high beams. The optional driver assistance package adds adaptive cruise control and automatic rear brakes. General Motors Super Cruise hands-free semi-autonomous driving system is also compatible with the XT6. However, global supply chain constraints make this feature difficult to find in any 2023 Cadillac model. The XT6 is one of the newest members of the Cadillac family. The vehicle only joined the series for the 2020 model year. However, this is not the first time Cadillac has produced a three-row crossover SUV. The XT6 is among the newest members in Cadillac's family. The vehicle only joined the lineup for the 2020 model year. That said, this isn't the first time Cadillac has built a three-row crossover SUV. Although company executives initially planned to build an eventual three-row XT6 on the RWD platform that underpins the CT6 flagship sedan, time constraints and budgetary constraints led to the decision to develop the XT6 on a modified version of the XT5 platform. Cadillac has unveiled its new three-row model for the 2020 model year, with mixed results. The powertrain, design, and material quality feel good enough on their own, but the budget concerns and corner cuts that hinder its development become obvious as soon as the XT6 is compared to a more thoughtfully developed luxury SUV like the Lincoln Aviator. Since launch, Cadillac has powered the XT6 with a new turbo-quad engine, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a few new features and paint options. We hope the automaker commits to more meaningful changes, and hopefully the addition of Super Cruise, for the mid-cycle refresh of the XT6.